Irish coffees are a pretty straightforward cocktail. You got your whiskey, you got your coffee, and your standard whipped cream garnish. But there's one super simple ingredient that will take your Irish coffees to the next level. I'm Kelly Anthony, this is the Anthony Kitchen, and in this house, we are all about recipes that bring people together. Because Irish coffees are so simple to make, they are perfect for entertaining or just snuggling up by a fire with your loved one. So the goal today isn't to overcomplicate the Irish coffee, we just want to do something to make it a little extra special. To kick things off, you want to start with a nice hot cup of coffee. To this, we're going to add about 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. You can't have an Irish coffee without Irish whiskey. Straight into the coffee. Now here it is, that secret, super simple ingredient that's gonna take these Irish coffees to a whole nother level. It is salted caramel. Salted caramel is going to add a buttery, rich note to this coffee, and it's gonna be extra decadent and extra delicious. So just squeeze it right in. You wanna add about maybe a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half, depending on how sweet you like your coffee. Now, don't forget, we're gonna add a whipped cream topping, so keep that in mind. Just stir. Give it a taste. Oh, it's so yummy. Now we're just gonna top this off with a little whipped cream garnish. Give it a little drizzle of that salted caramel across the top. And that is one irresistible, delicious cocktail. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll link to the recipe in the description below. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to keep up with the Anthony Kitchen's recipe releases. I'll catch you next time.